Hi, I'm Lindsay and this is my new Freedom Kitchen. I did visit 2 Freedom Kitchen showrooms. I went to Moore Park, which was huge and had lots of options to look at, and also the Belrose store. And it was great meeting with the designer on site to look at all the different products, colours, what was available. It was really helpful. Some of the favourite features of my Freedom Kitchen are obviously the gorgeous island bench. I love to entertain and this space is very important for gathering with family and friends. Specific features that I love is the continuation of the stone up the back wall. That was something that the designer suggested. I love the 4 bins, which is something I also requested because recycling is very important to me. Working with my designer was absolutely incredible. She was amazing, knew her stuff, gave me lots of new ideas, knew exactly what she was doing and talking about, and very easy to deal with. I would absolutely recommend Freedom Kitchens to others. They were really responsive, a pleasure to deal with, listened to everything that I asked for and requested. It was such a seamless, easy process, really professional, everything was delivered on time. It was fantastic.